Okay, just a flashback, and as you can see on the picture here, this is not, Igbo youths, being held by Nigerian army. Okay, according to the person that made this post, he said none of these hero men in the pictures is alive today. The Nigerian military executed these innocent Biafrans for demanding for a referendum, which is our right, while Britain and co give them a cover. Nigerian government committed unforgettable and unforgivable crime against Ndibo and Biafrans. So this is one of the crime that many people are not aware of. Okay, and when you hear what the writer said here, that Britain and co, when you hear and co, you are talking about all the European countries. None. I don't exempt. I'm not going to exempt any of them. They are not committing today does not mean they're not going to commit tomorrow. And their colleague, their counterpart in Europe, will somehow drag them to that, like Finland of this world. What Finland are doing, and anyway. So most of you are not aware of this kind of information, but we are here to give it to you so that you understand why people are asking for freedom. So we are going to go through some of the, exposition and ignorance of DOS members stay on their Iraq. We are going to go through them because we are going to go through that as soon as possible. But give us a moment. Give us a moment because that is very, very important. For ndị na-ekwu na PM anọ na jail. Time will tell. I don't know. Maybe you can see the picture here. I'm not gonna say anything about it, so you need to learn from that anyway. So one of the chief Erat have something to say, which is called a mega gift official. He said something. He said, question to Ndi autopilot. Since you have declared Biafra in Finland, will the Monday sit at home in Biafran land continue? Yes. If yes, who are you protesting to? Now listen. This is why I said IPOB or whoever that's in charge of that secret court should have picked people that can, make sense. I mean, people that have logical thinkers, people who can think deep to analyze information, people who have that knowledge, at least basic knowledge, to know what to say and when to say it. This is what they love to argue about. You argue about something that you don't know. I think you need to study something first before you can answer, okay, let us argue about it. That's the problem. Now, the sit at home this guy is talking about, they don't understand why sit at home. Sit at home it has many things that he offers to Biafran freedom, which Nigerian government understood that very well. They know, but they don't want to succumb or to accept. But those ones they claim that they boast like Emeka Gift and DOS. Like I keep on saying, your number one enemies as a Biafran are DOS and IPB Nigeria. They are number one enemy, internally and externally. And one of the reasons why they are is because everything that's going to liberate you, they stand on the way on behalf of the oppressor. That is why he asked this question. Sit at home is a way of proving that you are fed up with the system, which they themselves claim they are fed up as well, but they are not. That's another lie from pit of hell. Sit at home is a way to protest against the injustice and to show that you are fed up. Sit at home is another way to demand for Maaz Nnamdi Kanu's release, which they don't want. So for you to know that they know that what you are doing is against their primary objective, which goes against everything that you want as a Biafran. Sit at home is a way to prove that you need to control your territory, which some of them have accused Biafrans Why are you declaring Biafra without controlling your territory? Emeka gives number one. That's he's one of the people that made that asked that kind of question. Sitting at home is also a way of showing that, yeah, the referendum that are being conducted by Biafran government in exile are legitimate. That is not PM that forcing it. Today is Monday and everywhere is locked down. Remember, they started by telling you that sit at home is a fake. Nobody sit at home, that you are forcing people to sit at home, that if not, that you are shooting. That Samonekwa is shooting. So is Samonekwa still commanding the shooting now? No, right? And this is making it two sit at home, two Monday in a row that Samonekwa is not here and people are sitting at home willingly. No more what you are doing to your people in the southeast. Samonekwa is one doing is causing it. People are sitting at home willingly. Now that one has sink in them, have sink in their brain and their mind, so they understand that it's no longer time to. There's no time to do that kind of propaganda. Everything is the way it is. Now, Emeka Gift did not stop there because many of them actually have similar mentality. Okay, so many of them. But we are not. I'm not going to show. Bring all of them here. So you can only discuss the one you want to discuss and ignore, because not everything that you have to bring here. The mindset of these people: Emeka Gift, Methuselah, Biafran Child, Azai Oba, citizen observer of, I don't know who the person is. All of them, these are your number one enemy, with other hidden people at their back. But those ones are the ones who decided to bring their head, okay, in front. And this is what is going on now. I'm going to share with you these flag carriers, career agitators. Hear what they're saying here. Basically, I said Fulani herdsmen are better than you people. IPOB Rapture Media posted this and said, this video, which I'm gonna release the video in a short while, you can tell the difference. These are real IPOB when they visit Finland. When they visit Finland to do what? To protest against Biafran Prime Minister. I'm not gonna play the video because that's the kind of giving them audience. Giving them time. No, I'm not gonna play that. I thought they would they're laying course on themselves. But since it's about your presence in Finland, no. There's no time to do that because you guys are worse than anything ever. Worse than anything ever. So my people, I want you to tell me what they think about what they're saying. Do you really understand the agenda? Is to go against what you guys, what Biafrans have chosen, the path Biafrans have chosen to do. Now, let us go to the reply that the Emeka Gift got from that his nonsense question, which I just answered. Marvelous Arrest replied to him and said, Emeka, rest, we beg. No one care about you. Look at his picture here. Oscar said, it was for people like you to pack your things and move to the north. Amongst your brothers and sisters, we none have your DNA. Okay. Another person, let me go to another person. He said, okay, She said, they took advantage of modesty at home declared by IPOB DOS for a purpose to compel the zoo DSS to allow Matakana have access to his lawyers and family members. When the Finland criminals saw it was a success, they resulted using it to commit crime against our people. IPOB said no. Enough, we believe. These are people who are die-hard Nigerian government. Yapping nonsense. You see? In that one day, again, I saw one. Adeyemi said the redeclaration of United States of Biafra came earlier than expected. Their evil plans failed. He became disappointed, so don't blame him. He has not recovered from the shock. That is from, you see, that is from Oduduwa personal. The same tribe that they have already antagonized that they are all betrayers. Between you and Adeyemi, who is betrayer? Anofia. And Sam said, your life depends on anything that has to do with Simon Ekpa, and you don't like how he is getting his own freedom. Please just go and take sniper and bye. I wonder the time you make to think of your personal life if you still have one left, because soon you will beg for mercy. Anyway, my people, like I said, I decided to go through some of the comments. There are a lot of them, so many of them. One thing they have mapped out, they have ruled out in their life is not never ever to read comment. They don't read comment. They don't. They hate comment with everything in them, and that is why Biafrans are better than them, because Biafrans actually have time to respond to people like them, which I am not even in support of anybody putting comment on that platform, because that is why they feel that they are still relevant. I prefer you replying them on the video. Those of us that are making videos, you can reply them on video, without giving them, feed by commenting and pushing the video to get to other people, because the more you are commenting and liking the video, you will get to other people. Anyways, thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell me what you think about what we discussed so far. God bless you all, and see you again. Bye bye.